We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 15 that's not turning on, has a black screen and won't charge. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a frustrating problem because you're concerned that you aren't going to be able to go and use your iPhone 15 again. Don't worry, with the help of this video, we should be able to go and resolve it. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss what goes and solves the problem. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So first of all, instead of just tapping the side button, make sure you tap and hold it. Hold it for a good 10 to 20 seconds. That may then go and trigger it to go and turn on. Hopefully it does. Now, if you still find that it doesn't, what we're going to try doing is performing a restart. So because it's stuck and it's not turning on, a restart may be to go and solve this. So what you can try doing is pressing the volume increase, decrease, and then you tap and hold the side button. So let's do that now. You're going to press volume increase, decrease, and then we'll go and tap and hold the side button like so. Now go and keep this held down. You're going to notice nothing goes and changes, but just keep it held down. It's going to stay black, but just keep it held down. And you can release it when you go into the Apple icon. So hopefully that then goes and appears. Now, if it still doesn't, after holding it for a good amount of time, what you should try doing is grabbing your charging cable. And what you can do is you can go and plug it in and just give it a couple minutes to charge. I'd say around 5 minutes. Then try doing that same combination. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. And then that should go and trigger it to go and come on. And hopefully then the problem will go and be solved. So here it is, it's now back on. Now you can go and unlock it. Let me just do that now. And then hopefully you're going to be able to go and use it again. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more how-tos in the future. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. I look forward to helping you out. Have a great day. I'll catch you again soon.